Welcome to the Junior Mathers.
I'm Emma.
And I'm Micah.
And today we're going to be doing 4 different types of factoring.
And we have 2 different people to be helping us out today.
Kayla and Abdel.
I know you guys loved Abdel last week, so we decided to add him in this week.
And bring in a new person, Kayla, our camera woman.
We're very excited.
So first up is Kayla, who's going to teach you difference of squares. So bring her in.
Yes. Okay, so as Emma has said, we are going to be doing differences of squares. Now, for our first problem, we are going to do number 16 in this page, which is 16x cubed minus 100x. Now, to start off this problem, what do these two have in common? Well, for example, they can divide each other out by 4x. Oops. To write that down, 4x will be outside of this parentheses, and we would get 16x divided by 4x, which is 4x squared minus 25, but we will not add the x, mostly because it has been canceled out when dividing with the 4x. But as you can see, we can still factor these two. So, 4 what's squared? We have to square root, my bad. You can still square root them. So, the square root of 4 is 2x minus 5. But we also have to add a plus of this equation right here. The reason why is because if you were to have this equation using standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c, we have a middle term. But with this equation, we're not supposed to have a middle term. So the way to cancel this out, we would have to have a plus and a minus. And so here is your answer. And so next up is Micah.
Hey guys. I know it's kind of weird seeing us like all alone solving our equations. Normally it's me and Emma up here working it out together. But it's not me and Emma today. This is our equation. Let me just write it down. That's my equation. So, because all the numbers, all those, have an equal, like a greatest common factor, you can divide them all by, I'm going to divide them all by 3. Just so you know.
That's too big.
This is a 9, just in case we couldn't read that, because, I don't know. So, I'm going to be factoring it out, and I realize I don't have enough room on the board. I'm going to be factoring it out to, what you can divide it by. I forgot the x. So, you're going to divide it by 3x because there are all x's that you can take out of the equation. So, when I do that, since you're dividing it by 3x, you put it outside the parentheses. Excuse my voice, it's sick. And since this 3 divided by 3 is 1x, and then there's a 3 right there, so it'll be 1x squared because you got rid of one of the x's. And then minus 3, because 9 divided by 3. 3x, correction, minus 10. And since there was only 1x, that x is completely gone. Since there were 2 x's, there's only 1x now. Just in case you guys didn't know. 3x, and now I'm going to just finish factoring it out. 3x, and just like Kayla said about the plus and minuses, that's what we're going to be doing here. And so right here, like you would see what factors go into 10, they would add to 3, negative 3, my bad. So I would get x minus 2, yeah, and x plus 5. So that's my final equation, right up in here. We love that for us. And up next is Emma, just in case you guys didn't know.
What's up, guys? So, sorry I got a little bit too excited, and I'm gonna erase. Oh god. I'm so mad. So I'm gonna erase this really big equation that Micah did for you guys, and so I'm going to be teaching you how to do split the middle. So I have our equation. Our equation is. Sorry, I don't like this part.
Maybe she's speaking.
Okay. 3x squared plus 4x plus 1.
Nice writing.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is look if there's a greatest common factor, which there isn't. So you multiply A times C to get 3, right? And then you have to get 2 factors of 3 that are going to equal to 4x. So that would be 1x and 4x, and then that would be addition. And then you're going to bring down your other variables. And then you're going to separate them like this. And then you're just going to do factoring by grouping. So this one would be x. So you would get 3x plus 1. And this one would be by 1. And you're going to get, this should actually be 3. So you're going to get 3x plus 1 also. And then you're going to do this, 3x plus 1, and then you're going to put your leftovers that you put in here, x plus 1. And that is how you split the middle, my friends. So next up, to do some combo solving, we have Abdel. Bring him on in.
Don't mess up.
Mess up.
Don't mess up.
Yourself.
I don't like math at all. And they force me to come up here all the time.
Abdel, stop it.
Like you said, you're a star.
No, I'm not.
You
just
said
want
everyone likes
views.
you. Just do it.
I want views.
We're not recording.
No.
We're not recording the
Oh!
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are.
No, it's supposed to be red.
No! Wait, let me
The
see.
time is going.
You are.
Continue, Abdel.
Keep going, Adele.
Yeah.
Solve a problem.
So,
My bad.
Where is my thing?
She's fired.
I'm a woman.
It is my job. It is a part of
All right,
me.
go.
Why? We need 3 and what? 4. X.
What are you doing?
Talk it out.
I'm too shy.
What is it that we're doing, Abdel? I'm a 6-year-old. I want to know.
I'm explaining it then.
It looks like you found factors of 12 that add up to 7.
Good job. What's
Now what?
your name? Now we'll do this. X plus 3 equal. We'll do x plus 4, 0. And I do this. So I get x equal negative 3. Right, that's my answer. And I do negative 4
sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tune in on next Wednesday for a
Because we
brand
post
new video.
Wednesdays now.
Yeah. So